Today, we'll show you step by step how to lock apps on your Windows computer using Cisdem AppCrypt. Step 1. Set a password. First, open Cisdem AppCrypt on your Windows PC. If it's your first time using it, you'll be asked to set a password. Enter a strong password, submit it. We recommend you ticking Launch at System Startup option to auto-launch Cisdem AppCrypt when your computer boots up. Also, do not forget to tick I have read and I understand this warning, otherwise you cannot click the submit button. Step 2. Add apps to lock. Next, navigate to App Lock tab. You can either drag and drop or click the Add button to select the apps you want to lock, for example, Chrome, games or private apps. For some apps, adding a shortcut to the app lock list may not work, and finding the correct exe file isn't always straightforward. In that case, you can try the method below. Take Epic Games Launcher as an example. You can run Epic Games Launcher. Then run Task Manager. Find Epic Games Launcher in the process list. Right-click it and choose Show File Location. This will take you directly to the folder containing the correct exe file. Now, when you try to open a locked app, AppCrypt will ask you for the password before it launches. Step 3. Set schedules. Cisdem AppCrypt lock the apps all the time by default. If you want to change the schedule, just tap Schedule to get into the schedule window. You can click Add Schedule to add a new schedule, change the current schedule or delete an existing schedule. If you want to set individual schedules on a specific app, highlight the target app. Click the clock icon at the left upper corner of the target app. Slide on Custom Schedule and then click Add Schedule to create schedules for this target app. Please note that this individual schedule only applied to the target app. And that's it. With Cisdem AppCrypt, you can stay focused and control app access on Windows. Thanks for watching.